Blacker than black. Renza again. You feel me? How much time I try to record this video, people keep calling my phone. Yeah. What I'm saying is, I'm trying to, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all that good stuff. You feel me? So you can, so you get see the videos daily. Because I'm dropping videos daily. I'm dropping shorts daily. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, I want to talk about being a Jamaican living in America, but the ones that's been here from they were young. The thing is, I got the blessing of living in America at a young age, and then in my teenage years, I went back to Jamaica, and that in itself is kind of unique to me. You feel me? But then, there's certain traits that comes with that. You feel me? Because then, about both sides. You feel me? A lot of people, you got the other Jamaicans that come here when they were young but never really went back. I'm not that one. You feel me? So the weird thing about it is, me and those ones are similar as well, because I know both sides. You feel me? They know both sides as well, but I know both sides to a little bit deeper than them, because I was back and forth for various amount of times. You feel me? Extended amount of times, that's the word. You feel me? Yeah, so the thing about it is that with us, right? Because we're kind of like chameleons. You feel me? We're like those people that it's hard. We can fit in anywhere, but we belong nowhere. If that makes any sense to you. So I'm gonna explain. You could go around Jamaicans, right? And just because of your aura and how you carry yourself, because guess what? You might not carry yourself like a full hardcore Jamaican. You know what I mean? Like the ones, them, like the Jamaican, them, especially when they come here when they're older. It's different. It's different. It's totally different. They're more rooted. They're more, you feel me? Some of us try to act like that, but it's easy to pick them out. It's easy. It's so easy. You understand? You know what I mean? And it's nothing bad. But it's kind of, sometimes it get frustrating, because you really could go around the American them, you feel me, and know how they move, and know all their slangs, and know all of their, just understand their culture as well. You feel me? And then Jamaica, I'm a Jamaican, so I'm going to understand the Jamaican culture fully too. You feel me? So, but when you go around either one of them, you go around the Jamaican, I must say, oh, I'm a Yankee. You know what I mean? You're America, I'm a Yankee. They call Americans Yankee. You feel me? You know what I mean? And, I remember that used to bother me, as growing up, especially doing music. It used to bother me, and it was kind of conflicted to me, because I grew up listening to dancehall, and I grew up listening to rap music. I'm not gonna lie, I love rap music. I think I was more of a rap music guy. I'm more of a rap music guy. I love rap music. Tupac, Biggie, Busta Rhymes, guys like Cannabis, LL Cool J, You feel me? Them time there was good times, brother. Like, you know what I mean? There was good times. There's so much other artists. You know what I mean? Like, you know, the Locks, Mace. You know what I mean? Yeah, all of them, man. I listen to all of them. You know, Snoop Dogg. You know, yeah, Master P. You feel me? All of them. Grew up and listen to all of them. You feel me? So, man. First rap song I learned how to rap word for word was Coolio. I was on the radio. I remember those radios back in the days, right? With a cassette. Yeah, most younger people don't know that. With a cassette, and you know, I was rewinding the cassette because that song was so good. Gangsta's Paradise. Go check it out. That's the first rap song I think I really, really listened to and catch word for word. You feel me? Yeah. Me and my sister and my stepsister, you know. Catch it word for word right there in New York. Queens, New York, Far Rockaway. Shout out to Far Rockaway, you heard? Yeah. And we learned that. And from there, that's when we end up falling in love with rap music, you know, just the whole thing about it, the whole vibe of rap music. We used to love it. You get what I say? So, it's like, so back to what I was saying, you know, so as a Jamaican, I listen to dancehall, but you know, I felt like dancehall was so mature back in the days, and I was a kid, couldn't really understand it. I love Beenie Man them and Bounty, you know what I mean? I love them artists there, you know what I mean? I talk about 90s, when I talk about 2000, when I talk about no Cartel, when I talk about Cartel never out yet, you know, Spragga Benz and, you know what I mean, Mad Cobra, you know, and then, you know, you have the Goofy them and the Red Rat them and, you know, the Lady Saw them and, you know, Frisco Kid, you know, you feel me? All them people there, you know what I mean? All of those people, you feel me? So a mixture of that, all of that, you feel me? Me, the American side and Jamaican side, and that combine and make a person like me. You understand me? Or other people like me. You feel me? So it was a little bit conflicted, even like when you go around Jamaicans. You feel me? Like the hardcore Jamaican them, you know what I mean? You want them to say them a hardcore Jamaican, you feel me? And y'all listen to rap music. Right. No, that's, you know, rap music is a common thing now. Everybody listen to it. You feel me? It was not like that before. You feel me? You understand me? Y'all Yankee, you know, y'all listen to rap music, but you know, me, I loved it because I love the storytelling. We used to love the storytelling, love the albums, you know. They really do albums like that in Jamaica. I'm still is a lover of albums. You feel me? So, me as a Jamaican, going around American people, where them just, yeah, Jamaican, you know what I mean? Yeah, me a Jamaican, that's cool. But it's like, I understand what y'all doing. I understand everything. You feel me? You know, I could, you know what I mean? Can chill with you guys. Me understand, you know. You know, Jamaican, oh, my Yankee, my like my Yankee, my listen to rap music, rare. You know what I mean? And I know, you know, everybody listen to rap music. You get what I'm saying? Everybody listen to rap music. You feel me? Everybody listen to dancehall now. You see how this whole thing change? You feel me? In what, like 30 years? I think, yeah, 30 years, 30 something years. You feel me? So it's like that, so like with us as Jamaican, living in America, you feel me, grew up in America, it is a weird, it's a good thing, and it's kind of a messed up thing, because you end up finding yourself not being able to fit in totally anywhere. You really don't have no place in the world. Because even if you go to Jamaica, they will look for you like American. You know what I mean? Them not look for you like a hardcore Jamaican. Even up here, they're not looking at you like a hardcore Jamaican. You feel me? And it sometimes make you feel a certain type of way, like, damn, you know? Like, you know, it's just even, all right, watch it now. So, remember, you know, me start off as a rapper. That, you know, that's what I tell you. I love rap music. So I started off rapping. You feel me? Till the style end up develop where it's like my music became, the music that I did, it just became me. It evolved into me, if you understand what I'm saying. It's like, because when I was doing rapping, yeah, I was good. But then once I started recording, started going to the studio and recording, I guess the style started developing. So I started going, because just a note, I did do Jamaican music when I was younger too. So, but because I'm in America, I was like, yo, I want to be a rapper. You feel me? So I focused on that. You feel me? And then, you know, I ended up, so the two end up merging, you know what I mean, unconsciously, you know, because I'm Jamaican, and then I know I know about America, and I'm talking about, while I'm in America, I'm talking about what my experiences in America, you feel me, and it leads me to be able to use certain slangs that Americans would use, you know what I mean? And, you know, all of that stuff. So it's like, with that, it turned my style into a fusion. Listen, then now that I'm not totally rapping and I'm not totally doing dancehall, right? That now becomes another problem. This is what, like 18 years ago? This is what I'm trying to tell you. It becomes another problem. Now, people saying, it sound like you're rapping, especially Jamaican, but the American, them love it. They're like, yo, this shit sound like you rapping, dog. You feel me? You just sound different. And you might say, I'm pretty sure other people got probably end up that happening to them, but I don't know nobody else but that was doing it the way I was doing it when I was younger. You feel me? You understand me? The way how I mixed it. Now everybody is like, yo. So, like I said, so all right, watch it now. Kind of losing a little concentration. So the reason why sometime I would back and forth, I would rap, and then another time I would do dancehall, is like, it's trying to fill the gap. Like, oh, I don't want nobody say I'm rapping too much. You know what I mean? You understand me? So that's why I hit back dancehall, you know what I mean, from time to time. You feel me? Because I want to show that I'm Jamaican and shit. But then just, the energy work and the universe work, it just mixed the style together, where I don't have to do none of them. It end up become my style. You feel me? Never expected that at all. You feel me? Never expected that at all. That shit became my style. So no, it, like I say, some people, it was just new to people. You feel me? Because even the Jamaican, them say, yo, style bad, but them still never understand it. It's like, you know, because them still have to be this hardcore Jamaican and do this hardcore shit. You feel me? When Rich, I never thought like that. You feel me? I just felt like just being my fucking self. If you understand what I'm saying. I just felt like I needed to be myself and do what I want to do. You feel me? And then at some point, I just got comfortable because I started getting songs that people liked. I'm like, yo, you know? But I wasn't making it, I wasn't deliberately doing that. I never do that. I just talk or sing or DJ however I feel like. DJ mean rapping, you know, if any Americans is watching. You know what I mean? It just made me it's just that I was just doing and singing and rapping and DJing however I felt. You feel me? However it feels good. However it sounds good. You feel me? Yeah, so it's like end up develop a style. But then some people are like, you know, man sound like him a rap. And the American them love it. I'm not gonna lie, I've never met an American dude that's like, oh dog, you whack. No, I don't like that. Why you don't DJ? Nah, they're like, yo, the American artists, them they wanna do, you know, the local American artists, they wanna do collabs with me. They're like, yo, dog, you know what I mean? Yo, them love it because me have this, especially back then, we used to have this sound where them I say, yo, this shit just sound fresh. You feel me? Like, yeah. You see me? Yeah. And people they love it. Jamaican them love it too. You feel me? Because I was doing something that they never heard before. Fast forward 2026, 2025, 2024, whatever. You have trap dancehall, right? You know, and that started catching traction, trap dancehall, right? And guess what happened? Now people hitting me up, yo, bro, yo, you don't see what's happening? This is like, what I'm saying, 2026, 2025, 2024, 2023, whatever. That's around 17, 18 years ago what I'm talking about. They're like, yo, you don't see everybody I do the same thing that you've been doing all these years? And I'm like, well, I didn't really realize it. It's just the beats, just the dancehall, the trap dancehall beats. They were more sounding hip hop to me. But I never really look at it like that because to be honest with you, I still don't think them fully master the style because them not living in America. I love it, don't get me wrong, but me I talk about mastering the style when me feel like me have. You understand me? You African be able to just switch it back and forth without effort. You understand what I say? Nah, me love the artists, and me love Jama, me love Malidan, me love all of them youth there. You know what I mean? Where I do trap dancehall, brother. Like, yo, that shit is just great. You understand me? Like, squash them, the whole of them, man. The whole of you, them wicked. Pablo, YG, one of them you, they're like one of my favorite. I love him music, brother. Like, him thing just different, you know. Just it's a lot of them, you know what I mean? Eddie G, Bama, I say him name, yeah, him funny, you know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I mean? Them are different. It's not different, but them have it in them. Me not gonna say them the master. Let me clear that up. I feel like for them thing different, but it a derive in the same sense, if you understand what I say. Saying them get the idea. Saying, and reason why that even happen are because of the internet, bro. Saying, so them would have used American slang same way because the internet end up let us be able to make them see peep inside of America. Not say them might follow the culture, but because we all share the internet, everything drop one time, everything drop at the same time. You feel me? So we all is on the same frequency. So that's why trap dancehall was created. You understand? Remember, you know, you gotta remember back in the days, You gotta get a phone card to call Jamaica. Oh, you got to call Jamaica or call anywhere in the world from America or wherever you in the world. You gotta get a phone card to call. You feel me? No, you could just see them on the internet right away. A song drop, everybody get it the same time. You feel me? If I put up a picture, everybody see it the same time. I could just jump on WhatsApp on my Wi-Fi and call you right away. You feel me? It was different. It's different. So we all on the same playing field, if you understand what I'm saying. We're all on the same playing field of life, if you understand what I'm trying to say. You get what I'm saying? So it's like the same, in a sense, the same way how they develop the style is in a sense where it's kind of like America and the world is in one, or the world itself is one, but most people focus on America because that's popular culture. You get what I say? So what I say is, we never want to stray away from the topic too much, but what I say, growing up in America and living in America as a Jamaican, you feel me? Living in America, it was crazy. It definitely was crazy, you know what I mean? For sure, it's a very confusing thing to be like that, growing up like that. You know what I mean? Yeah, so, you know, it's tough. You don't have no place in the world, but you have to find a place in the world for you and find a middle ground. That's basically what I'm saying. You know what I mean? But yeah, like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? Hit the notification bell. You know, and yeah, just let the channel grow, man. Just help me to grow this channel, people. Yeah, man. I have a lot to say, and I have a lot to do. You know what I mean? A lot to share. Blacker than black. Ransom.